In January 2019, Valley announced the Upstream Dam's de-characterization plan. The 8B dam is the first of 9 structures in this plan to cease function as a dam. Situated at Mina de Aguas Claras in the municipality of Nova Lima, the 8B was a waste containment upstream dam. In other words, the heightened structure was supported on the waste. Before the construction started, the water from the reservoir had been removed by a pumping system. Later, the removal of the upstream structure and the construction of a canal with blocks of stone took place. Such canal allows the natural runoff of surface water. The construction lasted for 6 months. The planting of native species has already started. 1,100 tree seedlings will be used to revegetate the area and reintegrate it into the natural environment. We'll continue working in order to eliminate risks from the upstream dams.